I am going to show you how to fill out your digital notebook. So when I talk about a digital notebook, it's a notebook, but it is online. You will not need a pencil. You will take all your notes from each lesson online. So we are already looking at our Google Classroom, and under your 1-1, the distant past, you will find the digital notebook and lesson videos. I wanted to point out, if you see view more, it means that there's a few more assignments. Okay, so if you're looking for an assignment and can't find it, it might be because you need to click the view more button. All right, back to digital notebook and lesson videos. So you have one digital notebook, but every lesson is going to have multiple videos. You'll see they're under 10 minutes, so a 6-minute, an 8-minute, a 5-minute, an 8-minute, a 9-minute video. So you need to watch. Notice they have green bubbles. You have to watch. They are all must-dos. You have to watch every video. While you are watching the video, you are filling out your digital notebook. So let's look at this digital notebook. Right here, you will see that it has 6 pages. Okay, and then if we go back, if we go back to the assignment, you'll see here are your 5 videos. So you always start with the first video. So you have 1-1, that means topic 1, lesson 1, video 1. Topic 1, lesson 1, video 2. Topic 1, lesson 1, video 3. Topic 1, lesson 1, video 4. And topic 1, lesson 1, video 5. There might be more videos, there might be less videos, but for lesson 1, we have 5 videos. So you open the first video. We are starting with topic 1. Before we get into any of the lessons, we are going to watch this topic video. All right, so this one is really just watching the main topic video. I'm just clicking through it to see what else might be at the end of the video. So this, I'm actually showing you what you're going to be watching in lesson 1. I think it is just the video. So for video 1, I don't think you have anything in your digital notebook. So let's close out of there, but you still need to watch that video. See, it does say must do. So for the second video. All right, let's go ahead and begin our first lesson. We are going to look at 1-1, the distant past. You'll want to access all of your files in your Google Classroom in your social studies class. All right, so you'll see every video is the same. One side will be your digital notebook. And so let's fast forward through this. You don't need to listen to all this, you're going to hear it. I go through the digital notebook. I talk about what things are. For instance, in your digital notebook, you will see that there are red numbers with yellow highlighting. Those are the questions that are going to be on your mastery check. So those questions you are going to want to pay close attention to. Another thing you will see is, let me move my tab. Here we go. Another thing you will see is I have the e-text on one side and the digital notebook on the other side. So as you are listening to my video and it is reading the textbook for you, you can then pause it and fill out your digital notebook. So you will pause and then go there. As it is going through the lesson, so it will, let me show you what it does. Does an
anthropologists have made
answer to that question? All right, so let's going to look at before we do the vocab word. So let's go ahead and start listening to the lesson. You will need to look for the answer to this question. What does an archaeologist study? The answer to that question will be in this circled yellow paragraph. So what I do in the videos I've made, I tell you what question you're going to be looking for, and I even point out in the textbook, the e-textbook, where you will find the answer. If you want to use the textbook that is in your seat back pocket, you're welcome to. This answer is found on page 7. This answer is found on page 7. This answer is found on page 8. So I always tell you what page in the textbook you can find the answer, along with, in my video, I highlight or circle where you will find the text. So let's leave full screen. So that's kind of how you use the video. Videos will be 1 or 2 pages of the digital notebook. So you will have to have your digital notebook open. So what I say you should do is put the digital notebook on one side, split screen, and then have the video on the other. So as it is reading, so let's see, we would be here, right? So I tell you where to find the answer to this question. So this one, number 1, is going to be in part 2. So the 1-1-2 video, which is what I have up right here. So if you go through, let's back up. See, so number 1, and that's what we were just listening to. So what you will do is you will listen, you will then pause my video, come over here and type your answer. Then you'll go back to the video, whoops, click play, and so on and so forth. So keep your digital notebook either in a tab, or I prefer to split screen, but it's however it works for you. So as you are watching my video, you are filling out your digital notebook. Pages 1 and 2 of your digital notebook, you will, of this one anyway, your vocab words will always be the first and possibly second page. To get your vocabulary words, the definitions for them, let me show you what you need to do. Let's go into your Google Classroom. Notice I'm still keeping this split screen. And then go to, I'm just going to go to second hour. Actually, I can't. I'm sorry. So I'm going to go, I use this example world history class for all of these. So under 1-1, you will see this purple PowerPoint. This is what you use to help you with your vocabulary words. So open that purple PowerPoint, and then, as I've already told you with how to fill out a Frayer, you will just copy. So this word is anthropology. Anthropology. You will just copy, so highlight it, and then remember it's Control-C, and then go to your digital notebook and Control-V, paste it there. That simple. For the second one, archaeologist, again, go to the purple PowerPoint definition, highlight it, click Control-C, and then Control-V to paste it. I want your purple PowerPoint definitions in your digital notebooks because those are the definitions that will be on your mastery check. And here's a little secret, if you didn't already know this. This digital notebook, you can have it open and you can be using your notes while you are taking the mastery check for lesson 1. So topic 1, lesson 1, digital notebook can and should be open while you are taking the mastery check for topic 1, lesson 1. I allow you to use your notes. So please get the correct definition, because part of the mastery check is defining the vocab words, matching the definition with the word. Let's look through, see if there's anything I missed. Again, remember, if it's highlighted and red, it is one of the mastery check questions. I'm trying to help you out there. And I guess we'll leave it at that. If I forgot anything, I'm sorry. We will figure it out in class.